Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a G update. So guys, this is a quick update on Bubble. So looking on the screen, you can see that Bubble is going to be listed on Bybit exchange on the 14th of May 2024 at 10 a.m. UTC. So Bybit exchange is the first exchange to make announcement on the Bubble listing. So for those of you that don't have a Bybit account, you can register a Bybit account and get a rebate for your first transaction. Maybe if you swap Bubble to USDT, you are going to get some rebate. You can hold Bubble on Bybit exchange as well. So guys, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video for you to open a Bybit account. Very important guys, open the Bybit account so that you can enjoy your trading on Bybit. So you can use this code as well when opening a Bybit account. All right guys, so apart from the listing on Bybit exchange, you need to know about their tokenomics. So for those of you that don't have any idea on the Bubble tokenomics, Bubble is an ERC20 utility token that fuels the imaginary world ecosystem. Bubble tokenomics overview: total supply 10 billion Bubble, community incentives 30%, that is for all that participated in the Bubble Airdrop campaign. Ecosystem is 23%, strategic investors 18.5%, operation is 11.5%, contributors 10%, liquidity is 7%. So community focus distribution: as a leading Web3 entertainment company, we place our community at the heart of our strategy. So over half, 53% of the Bubble supply is dedicated to community. So there's going to be vesting also, token vesting, to ensure sustainable growth and fair distribution. The Bubble tokens will be released according to a vesting scheduled from the token generation event TGE. So for further details, I'm going to drop all the information you have to know at the description of this video so you can get to read about it. So I don't want this video to be too long. The total supply, like I said, is 10 billion Bubble token. So what you need to know: inside this 30%, which is going to be distributed to the community, 10% will be unlocked at TGE, while 90% of the 30% is going to be invested. So during TGE, they are going to unlock 10% from the 30% for the community, then 90% of the 30% is going to be vested. So I think they are going to do season 2 airdrop campaign as well, but for now, this is all the details you have to know for the season 1 Bubble airdrop campaign. So you can see that Bubble is already on CoinGecko preview, so you can see it on the screen. You can get more information about Bubble on CoinGecko. All right guys, so like I said, for those of you that don't have a Bybit account, please make sure to open a Bybit account. Very important, so that you can trade your Bubble tokens there. So they are going to pair it with USDT, and it's going to be listed on Bybit exchange at 10 a.m. UTC on the 14th of May 2024. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is a G update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.